Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And as you can tell by the dark blue cupboards, I'm still at my daughter's house. So today we are going to tiny tidy her cupboard underneath her sink. Well, plans changed. We found stuff that has to be fixed under the sink, so we'll have to wait for another video to find out what that's all about. And we decided we'd go in her TV room and we'd clean and tidy up in there. So my tidy for this Tuesday is actually Jodi's TV room. So let's get her done. I would like to thank Sunday Dawn for hosting this collaboration, and her channel is The Helpful Home, so make sure you check her out, and all the other tiny tidiers who are on our playlist. The playlist is in my comments as usual, so don't forget to watch them and like them and subscribe. The little white puppy dog you see now in the video is my daughter Jodi's dog, Goldie, and she's just checking out to see what we're up to. Jodi wants to save these boxes for Christmas presents. Always makes present wrapping easier if you have a nice box, and she has several nice boxes. So I'm kind of playing, let's put the boxes in the crate, and I'm playing a puzzle, and just kept doing it and doing it. And then I finally figured out that it's not going to work. Well, now I'm going to invite you to please subscribe to my channel. If you have subscribed, thank you, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So I hope everybody's enjoying our struggle getting these boxes organized.
Is that going to fit inside anything? What about this going inside there? And is there something inside this one?
Okay, Jodi saved the day. She decided that we should put little boxes inside of big boxes and other boxes inside of other boxes, and by golly it worked, and we just had a couple of boxes left over that were loose, and we got them all into one box, which is wonderful.
Okay.
Well, now we put all the boxes inside the plastic bin, and now it can go under the bed downstairs where David and I sleep, and then she'll get them out to wrap our Christmas presents. Yay! Is it empty?
Well, I put more boxes in there. It's to be washed.
Needs to be washed.
Yeah.
So I can go downstairs too.
And this is garbage.
And this is garbage.
Nothing else so far.
Okay.
Knitting project.
Oh, goody.
What's this? Oh, you should try those on. Maybe you like them.
Yahoo! More clothes from my daughter. Every time I come down, I go home with lots of neat clothes. So I'll have to give you a fashion show when I get home. Anyhow, I'm gonna go try these on.
Just throw one of my t-shirts on that's in the closet.
And guess who found more clothes to try on? You betcha. Yeah, and I like this outfit too, and I'm gonna keep it too. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Jodi.
Is this small piece of meat you could use? Oh no, this is my peace sign. Forgot about that.
I like food and time.
I forgot about it. Okay. Here's another box of Kleenex.
Yeehaw!
And a couple more light bulbs. And vacuum bags. And these are light bulbs. Okay. So, oh, these are also, is this empty? This is empty.
Oh, right there.
Okay, so let's change picture that she made me. And some onions that didn't get planted. Okay, so now we're gonna put it here.
Just about had a whole thing of mashed on the floor. Look, toilet paper.
Okay, and then you're gonna pass me the box of Kleenexes. After you're done lighting the house on fire.
Jodi had 2 boxes of matches, wooden stick ones, and one was almost empty, so I put them together. And honest, I didn't light the house on fire.
I think that's it. That's all of them.
Looks like it. Right here.
There, now you have 1 box of matches.
Okay, and then we can throw the vacuum bags on that in there. Just throw it in that basket.
If they're all open, right?
Stick that in there. And that can go up here. Matches, I'll just throw in there. I don't want any of that.
So that can be donated.
Yeah. I will keep the pumpkins in the bowl though.
Or maybe Mommy will just take this crap and guess I could make a cute little centerpiece to myself or something.
Go for it, whatever you want. I'm done with it. I do not want it. The vacuum can
Are
go.
these good?
Yeah, these are my seeds for next year. I just keep it down there because it's heavy and there's no other convenient place to store it. Other miscellaneous.
Do you want this little bulb in there with the other light bulbs, or is this?
Oh yeah, sure, that's perfect. And then I just need to put the vacuum away. And those pumpkins, they just didn't get put away with my fall decor yet, so it's almost time for them to come out.
Yeah.
So
That's what I was gonna say. It's almost time for them to come out.
So they here.
Nana's goodies.
This balloons can go away.
Yay! Lots to work with. Tiny tidies for 2 months.
And there's our Goldie dog.
Well, that's our tiny tidy for this Tuesday. And I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn from the Health Home again. And please remember to subscribe and watch all the other tiny tidiers. And in our tidy in the TV room, we got one little bag of garbage, and you saw the stuff that Nana's going to take home, and she has other things for donation. Okay, thanks again for watching the Tiny Tidy, and we'll see you Thursday for Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye!